Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get PS Plus for free. This is working in 2025 and you're going to be able to get PS Plus Premium for completely free for 12 months, guys. I spent a long time searching how to do this, and if you know the prices, you can see here, guys, PS Plus for 12 months costs a lot of money. I think it's around $80 or more, $100 for premium. And I'm going to show you how to go ahead and get a code that you can use, and it's basically going to supply you with a free 12-month premium. So you basically redeem this in the PSN store, and it's going to add PS Plus to your account. So you have to use your mobile phone. You can see I'm using an iPhone. It doesn't matter which phone you have. You obviously need an internet connection to do this. And you've got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like this into your internet browser to go to this website here. And this website has probably 100+ pages. You can scroll through and see what else there is, but there is a search bar where it says search here, so click in there and just type in PSN. And or you can search for PS Plus as well. I guess it should just show up, guys. Free PS Plus 12 months. And you can see, guys, this is going to give you a free 12-month PS Plus membership. And you've got to click on show full code. So like I said, this is a code that you can redeem. It's basically like a gift card code, I guess, for PS Plus. And it says here, your coupon code is ready, and the code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So obviously, as I showed you, PS Plus is pretty expensive. So this does limit one code per person. You can see these codes are limited, guys. So you can only get one code, and you need to unlock your code by tapping this button here. And you're going to see this screen where it says code unlocker, and it says complete 2 of the tasks. App/survey offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons, and follow the instructions below each app. So essentially, guys, you're going to have a list of free tasks. They are always going to be completely free, but they do take a few minutes to just to complete them. And these can be things like mobile applications or free surveys. You just need to read the description. It tells you basically in the small text how to complete that specific task. So just select any 2 of them and complete them, and if you do 2, your code will be unlocked. Obviously I just skipped forward, I've already done this, and you can only get 1 code per person. So if you follow the instructions, you will have your code and you can redeem it for your free PS Plus membership. So pretty easy, guys. Just go to Cold Coupons and just search for the PS Plus code by using the search bar. And yeah, that is how to get free PS Plus in 2025. So enjoy. Any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.